Oh, I bought that off Amazon. That was the previous owner of the book.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
Have you ever Googled my name?
No.
Do that.
Is your book on there?
Amazon.
Well, it's on. You know, I was so surprised. The other day I made a presentation at one of the places, and I usually turn over a bio for the introduction. And the guy said to me, he says, "Oh, he says I have it already. I Googled you."
Do you have a Wikipedia page? That would be really awesome.
No, so
He
there's I don't know 6 or 7 Edward Borsmans, and I was the first 2
Oh wow.
in Google. And then the second one in Google is linked to Amazon. Can you imagine that? Yeah.
Oh, for your book.
Yeah.
We have that there.
Yeah.
You have that book?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's on our table.
You do.
The knives and the swords and the daggers.
I think it was in between, but no. Now it's on.
She likes that, doesn't she?
Mm-hmm. You like that?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
Just strangling.
What's your little girlfriend grandma here?
She's just showing off.
Well, that's all right. That is okay.
She thinks it's talking to her.